Hi, Sunshine, right? See, even in online class, he is always there. I like this guy. But Naveen Abhinav is always present, and the new guy, Mitran. Okay, Mr. Mitran. So we studied about arithmetic progression. We studied about geometric progression. We saw the sum of series of arithmetic progression, geometric progression, right? And today we are going to discuss about what? Mean, yes. Mean people. Who's the meanest person you know? Not me, okay? Oh, she's the meanest, is it? It's not me. She's, you're just kidding, right? Friends. Friends for life. Murli has got 9.5. What happened to Murli? Why is not coming? Hmm? So you are studying hybrid addition or what? Nice. Where is our class? Which one is our class? Not the notebook, of course. Which class is our? Not this one. Yeah. Okay. Ah. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What's the date today? 22nd. Why you're laughing? He's very happy. I came today. Yeah. What? Okay, let's study 22nd, right? Arey yaar, Bhaskar, he's always doing partial, not me. Okay, it's not my fault. I don't know how to do it. Share. Stop. Hey, why you are absent in classes, online classes? My problem. Not that you were absent. She's absent in a lot of. I don't. Yeah, 2 classes before that you were absent. Shri Kruti is here. Yeah. So yesterday, remember, I asked you one question. Anybody would like to answer? Yeah, Kruti. My sister's name is also Kruti.
The answer for that lesson.
A R to the power n. Oi, Vidhi, shut up. Otherwise, I will make you sit in the middle of both of them. He'll be like school or childhood all over again. I was so scared. I don't know why. I used to be really scared of girls. I don't know. Then I was like, yeah. So what's the reason, Kruti?
Sir, it has something that limits and derivatives, that lesson.
You got it. Limits and derivative, right? So when we'll be studying limits and derivative, that time we'll be studying. For now, let's understand it like it's simple to understand using these two formulas. When r is greater than 1, that means the values remain positive. Okay, when r 1 minus r to the power of n, 1 minus r, it will just give you the negative number. You have to deal more with negative number. Okay, that's the reason. Let's understand that reason for now. But when we'll be studying limits and derivatives, you will get to know the actual reason how you will derive these formulas. Okay, not let's leave it for now. Fine. Okay. Will that be okay, Kruti? Or do you have doubt? Why are you not here? You used to come to class every day. What happened? All motivation's gone. Huh?
Not
You used to come, yeah, you used to come to institute, but what happened now? You're not coming here. Okay, anyway. So first we'll see arithmetic. What was that about? So arithmetic mean, first we will understand what arithmetic means, right? So first understand, I'm here, right? I'm right here. Why the books are open? I mean, when you are in online class, that time I can understand. Anyway, I can't see any one of you. I can't even listen you. So you're like, not HTML, okay? My class is mathematics, not HTML. Don't keep typing. Just kidding. Repair your mic, yeah. It's been 3 months. Okay, okay. Arithmetic mean. Do you know about, what do you understand from the term mean? That is arithmetic sum by, dividing the terms, is it? Yeah, that's what we do. So let's say there is, we know the general AP, right? Because we are talking about arithmetic mean, that means arithmetic progression or other arithmetic series we are talking about, okay? So let's say that series is generally how we start, A1, A2, A3, like that, right? And we write the series till AN, okay? Now let's say there can be a number just before this, sorry, just before this A, right? See, this is the first term, right? I'm saying this is general series, arithmetic progression, right? But we can find a term before this A1 as well, right? Before this A1 also we can, because we know the common difference, right? We know the common difference. It's a constant, isn't it? So we just need to cite A1 minus D. This will be that term, isn't it? A1 minus D. And a term after this will be what? AN plus D, right? So let's say this term is A and this term is B. So if we write arithmetic mean between A and B, okay? Arithmetic mean between A and B, how we can write? That means, see, this A1, A2, A3 are all the arithmetic means between A and B. If this is in AP, if this is in AP, then arithmetic mean between A and B is A1, A2, A3, and up to AN. So these are the different arithmetic means between some number A and B, if the number are in AP. Okay. Or if you want to say why we are writing a term just before this, where are we sitting? Shall I ask for a sofa or something for me, madam? Huh? So why even we are writing this term A? This term A and this term B. See, we can do without it also. If you want to write arithmetic mean between A1 and AN. So what will be the arithmetic mean between A1 and AN? Hari. What will be the, see, the arithmetic mean between A and B, between this number and this number is all these numbers. All are arithmetic mean. N arithmetic means you will get. N number of arithmetic mean. Okay. Now, if I ask you arithmetic mean between A1 and AN, so what are? Yes. AN minus 1. Is it hard to understand? What is this all about? Why are you being impatient? You want to go home? You want to pee? No? Okay, no, this happens. So A1, between A1 and what we said? So it will be A2, A3, A4, and up to AN minus 1. A term before this and a term from the second term to the second last term is your arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Okay, we have already written this. So how many numbers of arithmetic mean we'll get? These are n terms, right? These are n terms. Yes. So n minus 2 arithmetic mean will get. Okay. Now suppose there is a AP which has got only 3 terms. Okay. So A, B, and C. This is in AP. Now who? Hari Raghav. You are Hari Raghav. Sorry. Hari Haran. Yes, sir. You tell me what is AM here. What is it? The number just after this A and just before C. Which number is that? B. So arithmetic mean will be B.
B, sir.
Yeah. See, I've already said the answer. Sir, I know the answer. I know the answer. Are you the Sanjay Dutt of this class? Okay. So how do we write B? So B we can write as A plus C divided by 2. Is that correct? You can use common difference method or any method you want. You will always get the same result. Okay. Do you want the proof? I don't want to give the proof, but if you want, it's yeah. That means you just need to write all the terms in terms of A and B. That's it. Okay. So that is your proof. So A. This is not our main concern. So let's add pages. Let me add few more pages. Okay, where are the pages? Why it is showing? Now come to geometric progression. Geometric mean, sorry. This happens in chemistry class. This dotted lines. No, only in my class. That means I am stupid. Good to know. Okay, hopefully everyone got this arithmetic mean. Okay, so let's understand geometric mean. Okay, geometric mean, again, same thing. What we have to do? Common ratio. See, in arithmetic mean, we how do we write a arithmetic progression? It has a common difference. Geometric series, how do we write? It has a common ratio. Okay. Hari, understand? Getting right? All right. Got it. Okay. So again, same. Let's say this terms. This is a T1, T2, and so on till Tn, and last term is, let's say, B. So this T1, T2 will all, if this is in GP, if these are in GP, geometric progression, okay, that means T1, T2, T3 up to Tn will be the geometric mean. What? No, up to Tn, no. So between geometric mean between A and B. Okay. See, A is the first term actually, B is the last term. Okay. See, last term doesn't mean that only nth term is the last term. It just is the general term we write, like in binomial theorem, right? We write like that, no? Okay, see, since it comes binomial theorem, what is 0 factorial? What is 0 factorial?
1, sir.
1. I have explained how 0 factorial is 1, right? But in words, if you want to say in words, how you will say it? Do we have anything to smash her head or something? With your head? How, just think about it. In terms of permutation, what do we arrange, right, with permutations? Means 0 factorial means what? Doing nothing. So the meaning is there is only one way to do nothing. Just try to understand it. There is only one way to do nothing. If you are doing nothing, that's the only one way you can do nothing. If you are doing any other thing, that means you are doing something, right? So in general English language, you can say like that. Let me write. Shall I write this? No? Okay, let's try. Only one way to do nothing. Nothing means what? 0 factorial. I'm not doing anything. Okay. And how many ways we can do that? One way, not wrong finger by the way. Oh, okay, that finger is good. Okay, don't do that. All right, let's. Yeah, I'm like that. Okay. You want to steal this book? You'll get nothing out of it. You want this book? You can take it by the way. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Very happy. Got it. Okay. Write down a question. Arif, we'll first solve questions from arithmetic. I told you what geometric mean is, right? I'll give you the formula. Just wait. Because we have to study our geometric mean in details, right? So just wait. Calm down. Okay, fine. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 11 and 14. Question is insert 3 arithmetic means between 11 and 14. How you will do that? Same method, this method. What we have learned just now. The meaning you have to understand. Okay, that's why I'm giving you the problem based on arithmetic mean. Okay? See, arithmetic mean is this much only. Don't hesitate. It's the same thing what I've written. And arithmetic progression you have already studied. Let me solve one problem. For your face, I can say. You have to insert 3 arithmetic means, right? Question is clear, no? You have to insert 3 arithmetic means. So arithmetic, that means in between 3, sorry, not 3. In between 11 and 14, right? You have 3 arithmetic means. So let's say A1, A2, and A3 are the 3 arithmetic means between 11 and 14. That means this must be AP. Must be AP, arithmetic progression. This must be in arithmetic progression, right? Yes or no? Now we know the first term, A, we know. How do we find the common difference? So 14th, so which term is this? This is the first term, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, right? So T5 is what we know, A plus 4D. Do we know this or not? For this is given as 14. So find the value of D from here. Three by 4, right? 3 by 4. Now, if you have got A, you have D. Can you not find A1, A2, and A3? Find it. See, if arithmetic mean is given, that means it should be in arithmetic progression. Then only it will be the arithmetic mean. Okay, write down. Got it? So A1 is equal to what? T2. That is A plus D. A is how much? 11 plus 3 by 4. How much will be this? 47 by 4. Okay. A1, A2 is equal to third term, A plus 2D. Fine. So this will be equal to what? 11 plus 3 by 2. How much will be this? 35 by 25. 25 by 2. Okay. Third term. So A3 is fourth term actually. So A plus 3D. How much will be this? 11 plus 9 by 4, right? So how much will be this? 50. Everyone got the answer? Okay. Now see, what is, let's write down the AP again. Okay. If we are doing AP, so AP is A, and how we wait, listen. T1, T2. Why we are starting with T1? T1 is actually first term is A, right? We just want in terms of n, not n minus 1, n minus 2. That we want n numbers of am arithmetic mean. That's the reason we are writing. It's not like we cannot write in if we have 2 numbers, 3 numbers, or n minus 5 numbers. We can write for everything. It's just a general understanding to make it look easier. Tn. So Tn minus 1, Tn, and last is B. That's why we are using just the number A and B. That means these all are in AP. This is the AP. So these are your what? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means. Fine. So what will be the sum of arithmetic? This happens in chemistry class. This is not fair. Is it like I spit too much? Oh, I don't know how to write, is it? Sn will be equal to T1 plus T2 plus, yeah, I think I don't know. Plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Find out how much will be that. See, this will, T1 is A plus D, right? This is A plus 2D. Isn't it? Up to where? A plus. How much will be this? A plus ND now. See here. How, sir? See this. 1, you are multiplying it by a factor of. Who is using these stupid colors here? See, this is 1. My mistake. Okay. 1, n value is 1. 2, n value is 2. 3, n value is A plus 3D. So here it is n and A plus ND. Got it? You are getting it or not? No, yes or no? See this here. How you will write this? See, you have to write in terms of A means, you have to write in terms of A and B. A and B, right? B is the last term. Remember, how do we write B? How do we write B from here? Right? So from here, can we write D, the value of D? You will get A, so already you know. D can we get? D will be equal to what? See, the thing is B is equal to A plus n plus 1D, right? So from here, we can find the value of D, common difference. Common difference will be B minus A upon n plus 1. Yes. So this is the common difference. Now you just need to add A plus D plus A plus 2D up to A plus ND. Okay, this is your Sn. So how many times A are present? A is present. A will be present how many times? N times. So n times of A plus. Now D plus 2D plus 3D plus 4D, how D common you are taking? Okay, very good. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. You know how to find this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus. This is sum of AP, right? Common difference 1. Yes. So how find it out? Okay. Substitute the value of D. This is the value of, because A and B are known, N is also known, D is not known. So substitute D is equal to D here. Substitute it here. What is the sum? How much will be the sum? Sn will be how much? N by 2. Sorry. N by 2 into A plus 2A, no? 2A plus N minus 1D. D is 1 out again, right? Shreya, see, we are just summing up this one. Sum of this series. We are writing it. Yeah, we can directly use n into n plus 1. But see, let's go from the basic understanding what people have. N into n plus 1 by 2. Sn. This Sn, only this one. Okay, that means, so let's write Sn dash. Okay, so Sn will be equal to A times of n. Okay, plus D. D is what? B minus A upon n plus 1, right, into Sn. Sn is n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Fine. Any doubt here? Okay. See, I'm just substituting it here. So this one is here. Fine. D is this value. I'm just substituting it from here. Okay. So this value of D I'm substituting. Fine. And this value is Sn, some Sn dash. So we have got this value. So I'm substituting it here. Is that okay? Now this can be cancelled out. Okay. So this will be A times of n plus n times of B minus A upon 2. Fine. So, or you can also write this as An plus Bn by 2, right? Minus An by 2. Can we write like this? Here. I just multiplied, okay, in the bracket. So this will become your An minus An by 2 will be what? An by 2. Fine. This and this. Oh, is this correct? Why not? Is this correct or not? This one is correct. So this and this, if you subtract, will you get that or not? It's just 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Plus Bn by 2. So can we take n by 2 common? So A plus B by 2 times of n. So this is sum of n terms of the arithmetic means. Correct, right? Got it? So this is Sn is equal to n times A plus B by 2. So sum of arithmetic mean between A and B. Any number A and B. Any number A and B. Okay? That's how you will find it. That means you need the first term, you need the last term, and how many terms are there. That's it. You can find the sum of A. Got it? Anidhi? Shreya? Any problem so far? Okay. Now let's come to geometric mean again, because it's not in syllabus. So who cares about this? Yeah, geometric mean. So write down and see, this is the, everyone just see and please write it down. This will be important. This is the, this Sn is not the sum of arithmetic progression, arithmetic series. This is the sum of arithmetic mean between A and B. Okay? Okay, just solve a problem. Let's see the difference. I'll give you a series, random series. 5, 10, 15, 20, up to let's say 20 terms. Okay. Question A, find sum of what? AP. Number B, find sum of AM. Let's see. Find sum of AP, find sum of AM. And you will understand what. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not, wait, everyone. Let's erase these terms. I don't want to complicate it. These are in AP, right? I'm giving you, let me give you one more number. 25. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. So 5 terms I'm giving you. I'm asking you to find the sum of AP and the AM. This is in AP. Yes, there is a common difference. So this is in AP. So if it is in AP, there will be arithmetic mean. Find out. Find out fast. We are finishing this chapter anyway today. So arithmetic mean is there in your syllabus, right? Sorry, geometric mean. Find out. See, okay. Sum of AP SN will be equal to n by 2. You use the formula n by 2, n minus 1d. That's what we know. What's the value of n here? How many terms are there? 5. So 5 by 2, 2 times of 5 plus n, that is 4 times into d. D is how much? 5. What will be this? 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15 into 5, 70. Okay. Now B, find the sum of its AM. What are the AMs? 10, 15, 20. These are the AMs. Okay. And so these are the AMs. That means the number before this is A, and 25. This is your B. Remember? And we know the formula Sn is equal to n A plus B by 2. Sn, sum of arithmetic mean. See, this is arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean. What? No. Okay. How many? What is the value of n here? For what value of n we are deriving it? See, what is the n? How many n? What is n here? 3, right? So this will be 3. 3 arithmetic means are there. So 3 times into A plus B. A is what? 5, right? A is 5 plus 25 upon 2, right? How much will be that? 45. Okay, so A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 will be how much? See, n. Okay, sorry. My mistake. See here, let's understand it here. There are how many terms we are using? There are n number of terms, right? So AM will be, okay, this. Yeah. So this will be equal to how much? 40? 45. Okay, fine. Here the value of n is equal to 3 because these are the arithmetic means. Now to verify your answer, why I have given you small data to verify your answer. Now just add these 3 numbers, how much you are getting? 10 plus 15 plus 20. How much you are getting? 10 plus 15 plus 20. How much you are getting? 45. Verified. This formula is verified. Okay, let's move ahead. Geometric mean. Okay, so geometric mean. So far, what we know about geometric mean? Same. The first term is, let's say, A, T1, T2. So these are in geometric progression. Okay, Tn minus 1, Tn, and last term is, let's say, B. Okay, so this is in GP. So if this series is in geometric progression, so the number from here to here, this is arithmetic mean. Sorry, geometric mean. We are studying geometric mean, idiot. Geometric mean. Okay, this is geometric mean. That's it. How do you write a general term? How do you write a term? How do you find the value of R, common ratio? How you will find? Like in that, we find a common difference. Yeah. T2 by T1. Yeah. So T2 by T1 should be equal to T1 by what? T1 by A. And that should be equal to B by Tn. See? Right? Just see this. If this is correct. We can also write this is equal to Tn by Tn minus 1. Getting it? Huh? Any doubt here? So if you want, you can write T3 by T2. That's what we are doing. So this, let's say this is equal to R, the common ratio. So the common ratio of geometric mean and geometric progression, geometric series is same. That's why we are able to find geometric mean. So write down the general term. How you will write the general term? Write down. AR power n. So that is for geometric progression, not geometric mean. Geometric mean you have to write in terms of this A and B. Right now, use same method that we use AM. There it was addition. Here it is division. Right? Means multiplication. Whatever. See, which term is this? This is the first term of G, right? If you, this is the second term, third term. Which term is this one? Of the GP. Okay, let's understand. Let me write it again. So that, yeah. So if you are writing A, the series you are writing till B. So the term before this, whatever term here it is, let's say what symbol they have used. Geometric mean it is, right? So let's write G1, G2, G3, Gn minus 1. You are getting it or not? G is just geometric mean. Okay. So G is geometric mean. So these are the terms. So this is your which term? This term, first term, T1. This is the second term, T2. This is the third term, T3. Which term will be this? Raghav. First. You are Raghav, right? Go ask him. Call him. Call him. Go, Nidhi. What are you waiting for? Shreya, you are waiting for Shreya. Okay, guys, just give me a minute. Something. Are you able to understand? How about physics? Physics is going well. How many chapters you have finished in physics? Sir, can you please put the password? Madam, please. Peace out. This way. You can tell, you can write the password if we won't use it. So if this is GP, okay. If this is geometric progression with first term as A and the last term as B, okay, that means the terms between the A and B terms. Let me write terms between A and B are the n geometric means. Why am I writing? Okay, so this will be which term? This Gn will be which term? If this is A is the first term, G1 is the second term of this GP, which term will be An? Gn, n plus 1 term. So which term will be B? N plus 2. A is the first, got it? So from here, if we can write Tn plus B is equal to Tn plus 2, right? Now, how do we write the last Tn plus 2 term? How do we write in G? First term into common ratio to the power of n plus 1 this will be. Because n minus 1 you write usually, right? R to the power of n minus 1. Here n is equal to n plus 1, right? N plus 2. Let's say this is n dash. So n dash is equal to n plus 2. So substitute it, what is it? R to the power of n plus 2 minus 1. So R to the power of n plus 1. Okay. See, this is just simple GP, whatever you have studied. So now, so as far as we are just writing a term ahead and the term before that. Okay. Yeah. So this fine. So from here, can we write B upon A to the power of 1 upon n plus 1, right? Will be equal to R. Common ratio will be this, right now. Is this the common ratio or not? Because we do common ratio only, right? Yeah, because we don't know the common ratio, we know the value of A, we know the value of B, and we know how many terms are there. Okay, so we can find the common ratio from there. Yes. Power, we will. What will happen to the power? See, A to the power. Oh, sorry, let me write. X to the power of alpha is equal to something, let's say y. Okay, so how do you let's take log both sides. So this will become alpha log x will be equal to log y. Fine. Now you log x will be equal to 1 upon alpha log y. Fine. Now you take anti-log, that means exponential. So you take exponential, e to the power of log x will be equal to e to the power of 1 upon alpha log y. Can we write like this? So we write this as e to the power, so this will become your x will be equal to, that's, I don't know if you know the how to convert logarithm and this, but that's how we do it. So this will become, now you can write this e to the power of log y to the power of 1 upon alpha. See, the power will go here, no? Shift here. See, that's what we have done here also. The power we have taken out. The power was here, so we have taken out here, right? So that's what property, same property we are using, isn't it? So this and x will be equal to y to the power of 1 upon alpha. Hence proof. Okay. So this is the actual proof how you do it. And of course, you have to write log e, not log just. Okay, I'll just erase everything, whatever, or shall I leave it here? You want me to get killed, right? Those who are online, they will just kill me. Why you are writing all these things? Okay, so this B we have got, from B we have got the value of R, right? We have got R. Now we have R, the common ratio of GM is R, which is equal to B upon A to the power of 1 upon n plus 1, and first term is what? A. We are writing in terms of A. First term is A. And first term is A. So how do you? So how do you write the general term of this? The general term. Gn. How you write Gn? Gn is equal to a r to the power of n. See, Gn is Tn plus 1, right? N plus 1 term. So how do we write n plus 1 term? A r to the power of what? N plus 1 minus 1. N plus 1 minus 1. Right? So this will become a r to the power of n. Fine. Now we know the value of r. R is what? This. So let's substitute. So Gn, the general term or the last term of the geometric mean will be a. R is what? B by a to the power of 1 n upon n plus 1. See? Able to understand or shall I write it again? No? Having trouble. Some of you are having trouble. Let me write it again. Yeah, I saw your face. Yes, miss. A plus a upon b to the power of 1 n plus 1. Fine. And this whole to the power of n. Fine. Now can we write? A is outside. B by a to the power of n upon n plus 1. Right now, how do you find the sum? You can see the sum of GA is not necessarily you don't need to find it. So let's write down product of GM, geometric mean. Product of geometric mean, write down. That means you need to find G1 multiplied by G2 multiplied by G3 and up to Gn. How do you write that? Write it down. So these are the terms. Write down. So this is G1. This is A B by A to the power of 1 upon n plus 1 multiplied by. So this is G1. G2 will be what? A B by A to the power of what? 2 by n plus 1. You keep on multiplying.
1 plus 1. So 1 by 2.
Wait. Yeah. G1, G2. Yeah, please substitute. Sorry, my mistake. So this will become 1 by 2, right? This will become how much? 2 by 3. Okay, so the last term will become A B by A to the power of n, right? So n upon n plus 1. Okay, you keep multiplying, what you will get? The final end result you will get the product of Gn final tell me. You will get A into B to the power of 1 upon n. This you will get. I'm just writing it from the book, although I can prove it, just taking the shortcut. If that's okay. You just multiply it. How many A are there? N times A are there, right? Then and you are multiplying A n times. That means A to the power of n. Right? Is that okay? Now B is what? This is the numerator. In the denominator also A is there, right? A is 1 by 2 multiplied by A to the power of, or just write B by A into B by A to the power of what? 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, right? Those terms will get added up and you will get, what you'll get? 1 upon n. Because you'll get no 1 by 2 plus 2. Shall I write 8? Okay. Got it. I know how to do it. What happened? That noise irritating, right? You are not even listening. I was trying to make. Okay. How many times A is there? N times. So A to the power of n. Now B by A to the power of 1 by 2. You'll add up the power plus 2 by 3 plus up to n upon n plus 1. Right? So if you find this series, so it will be A to the power of n, B by A to the power of 1 upon n. Directly. You find the sum. This is the infinite series. Which one? Is it? See, this one you're saying AP or GP? Special series. Next chapter. After this, tomorrow we are going to study this. Okay. How do we find this? All right. Just give me this time so that we can study that. So this will be this much. So A to the power of n, B to the power of 1 upon n, upon A to the power of 1 upon n. That means this will be A to the power of n minus 1 upon n. No, something is wrong here. Some mistake I have made. I have made some mistake. Just add this one. Is it in AP or GP? What is it? Okay. Just give. I'm not able to do this right now. Just give me a minute. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Please remind me the proof. Okay. Proof. Actually, I'm missing out few points here. I haven't even taught that points. I'm sorry for that. I'm really sorry, guys. Okay. Just write down the final this what this will become. So the product of GM, G1 multiplied by G2 multiplied by G3. So this will become Gn. This will be equal to AB to the power of 1 by n. So this also you can write AB to the power of 1 upon n. Okay. Right on. Let's solve 1 or 2 problems at least. Problems are important, right, in this chapter. So okay. What is happening here? So write down. See, you have a number A, B, and C. Find sum of GP. So this number is in GP. These numbers are in GP. A and B. Product of. Find GM, geometric mean between A and C. B is the geometric mean. That means that's what we need to find out. Sum will be what? Sum will be what? A plus B plus C. Right. Sum of this GP will be what? A plus B plus C. So this will be equal to what? How do you write? Common ratio In terms of common ratio, you can write R will be equal to C upon B, which is also equal to B upon A, right? That's what it will be, isn't it? Good. So this is a common ratio. That means B square is equal to AC. So B will be equal to square root of AC. This is what you needed to find out. No? GM. Geometric mean between A and C is what? B. B is the geometric mean. B is the geometric mean between A and C. So if we find a common ratio, from there you can get the value of B. What is B in terms of A and C? First term and last term. Okay. Next question. Okay. Find geometric mean between 72 and 882. So these are the two numbers. Find geometric mean. Yeah, this is the two number that I'm giving you. Find the geometric mean between these two numbers. See, how do you find a geometric mean? This B is the geometric mean between what? A and C. So if there exists a geometric mean between these two terms, so 72 geometric mean, so let's write G, and 882. So these numbers must be in GP. Fine. So if this is in GP, that means 882 upon G should be equal to G upon 72. Fine. Yes or no? Okay, so that means 882 multiplied by 72 is equal to G square. So G will be, because we need to find the real value, so we are not going to find the negative values. Square root of negative value. Imaginary value, we'll just ignore it. So square root of 882 into 72 is how much? So, 4, 0, 0, 6. How much will be this? Approximately. This is what you are getting, no? So this is how much? How do you find the square root? Find it. You'll have to do that in exam. Okay, don't look at me. Got the answer? See, if AM and GM of roots of a quadratic equation are 8 and 5 respectively, if arithmetic mean is 8 and geometric mean is how much? 5 of a quadratic equation, it will be 252. Wait, listen, this problem. So arithmetic mean is given 8, geometric mean is given 5 of a quadratic equation. Okay. So find the equation, find the quadratic equation, find the quadratic equation. Arithmetic mean given. So how do we find that? If any equation you have, let's say ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's say alpha and beta are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Fine. We know alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha plus, see, the roots, okay, the roots of quadratic equation. Have I read? AM and GM of quadratic roots of, okay, roots. So roots of quadratic equation is given how much? A is in AM and GM. So A plus B by 2 is, let's say alpha and beta are the two roots of this equation, right? We get two values, right? When you solve this quadratic equation. Two values of x you will get. So alpha, so one is arithmetic mean, am, is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. So that is given as 8. Geometric mean, how do you write? Root over alpha beta is equal to how much? 5. That means from here, what you will get, alpha plus beta will be equal to 16. Alpha into beta will be equal to how much? 25. Now find the value of alpha and beta. Substitute. This is equation 1. This is what? Not needed. Okay, how you will do? You can do that as well. That as well. See, alpha will also be equal to what? Minus b by a, right? Show me. Yeah, you can directly write. See, if alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, that means the quadratic equation is what? X minus alpha into x minus beta is a quadratic equation. X minus beta, right? This is the is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. See, if alpha and beta are the roots, right, of the quadratic equation, so can we write like this? See, if there is a quadratic equation x minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you solve it, what values of x you will get? 1 and 2. So these are the roots, right? So if alpha and beta are the roots, then you can write in this form. So can we write this as x square plus minus alpha plus beta, right? Alpha plus beta into x, right? Plus alpha beta is equal to 0, isn't it? This is a required quadratic equation. So from 1, substitute x square is equal to alpha plus beta is what? Sorry, x square minus 16x plus alpha beta is what? 25 is equal to 0. So from here we are substituting one value, we are substituting it from here, and one value we are substituting it from. Is there any problem, Ghoshal? Because we haven't studied quadratic equation properly, right? No. You understand? I'm saying because we haven't. I'm. Yeah, I know. But most of them have not studied. If you take 15 minutes to solve a quadratic equation, that means you don't know how to solve it. Not you. See, when I say you, it doesn't mean you. See, for a group of people also we say you, right? So we have class till 8 o'clock, right? So solve another question. Solve it yourself. If arithmetic mean between two positive numbers is 34, if arithmetic mean between two positive number is 34 and geometric mean is 16, find the numbers. Yes, online. Someone is telling answer. Today is Tuesday, right? Find the numbers. Got it? How do we find arithmetic? See, if there is a number, let's say A and B is the number. Let A and B be the positive number. If these two are the positive number, so the arithmetic mean between A and B will be how you will write the arithmetic mean. Let's say A is the arithmetic mean. So A will be equal to A plus B by 2. And the geometric mean between these two numbers, how you will write? Square root of AB. Now A arithmetic mean, right? Arithmetic mean is given as 34 and the geometric mean is given 16. So can you not find this? Yeah, of course. Of course, you'll get a quadratic equation. So A, this one, this. A. A plus B by 2 is equal to 34. So A plus B will be equal to how much? Hari? A plus B will be equal to 68. Fine. From here, you can write G, that is AB will be equal to 16 square. 16 square is how much, Hari? Solve these two. Substitute. This board don't want to. 4 and 64. We can find the numbers 4 and 64. That means both the roots, if you'll get, you can interchange the number and you get the same. Right? Everyone got this? How you will solve this? Maybe show me how you will. Long process, very long process. Why do you want to waste your time? You learn techniques. What? Louder, louder. इसमें कौन सा technique? You do very good. Right? There are techniques. Have you studied the roots of quadratic equation? You haven't. Roots means different methods to find the roots of an equation. The methods, you know, what one method is factorization. Formula. So what? Completing the square. That is actually easier in this case. Completing the square. One more method is there. Graphical method. One more method is there. No graphs. Why don't you guys make graphs? Graphs are awesome. You can score marks in CBSE. That's what you want. It's fine. It is completely fine. Yeah, Shreya. Use the formula. She use the formula. You do it. See, if you are not able to do it here, you won't be able to do it in the exam. That's the thing, because you are not able to practice in your own, right? So better do the mistake here. Solve these two. See, you know the value of the product, you know the value of the sum. What you can do? What do you need to find out? Can you write this? What is a plus b whole square? What is a minus b whole square? This is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? This is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? Can you write anything from here? Can you relate it? Okay, I have given enough hint. Just do it. Do it your method. Spend some time, invest some time. I know you guys don't have a habit of it, but do it. Raghav, do it. Okay, you do another problem. If a, see those who have already solved, you can solve this problem. Don't sit. Don't just sit. What's wrong with this pen? Okay, if A and G are arithmetic mean, this is your arithmetic mean and geometric mean, obviously. Between two positive numbers. Okay, leave it. Sorry. Just question we are already doing. Let's do another one. Okay, find n such that, I think this is from NCERT. No? Find n, yeah, such that a power n plus b power n whole divided by a to the power of n minus 1 plus b to the power of n minus 1. Maybe in the GP. Sorry, maybe in GM, not GP, GM. Yeah, GP means it will be GM. Between two positive numbers between A and B. Find n, find the value of n. What? Reciprocative inverse. Try, give it a try. See, listen. You have a plus b value, right? You need to find the value of a and b. If you can find the value of a minus b, will you be able to find a and b, right? So let's square it. A minus b. So let's do one thing. In general, can we write a plus b square minus a minus b whole square will be equal to what? 4ab. This is in general. For we don't have to say a and b. A and b can be any number. A and b can be any number. That means it is valid for all real numbers, right? You just put this out. What is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab minus minus will get added up, so it will become 4ab. Why I am doing this? A plus b, you know the value. A plus b is how much? 68 square minus, we don't know the value of a minus b square, right? This value we know, into 4 times of AB. AB is how much? 256. So 68 square minus 4 times of 256 is equal to A minus B whole square. Find out. So far this is okay? Why we are finding the value, we'll understand. Okay. 68 square is how much? Do it. See, multiply 68. 4, 6, 2, 4 minus 4 times of this 256. 1014. 1024. Now square root of this. will be equal to your A minus B. How much will be that? 0, 0, 6, 3, 6, 0, 0. Square root. A minus B will be equal to this. That means how much? 60, 60, right? 60. 1, let's say this is equation number 3. So if A, now you know A plus B is equal to 64, right? A minus B is equal to 60. Add these two. 2A will be equal to how much? 124. So from here you will get A will be equal to how much? 62. B will be equal to how much? Huh? B will be equal to how much? How much will be that? 2. So A is equal to 64. See, this is a simple method to find the value of A and B. Some mistake we have done not got. How much you had got? 64 and why we are getting 62 and 2? What mistake we have done? A plus B. Oh, sorry. This is 68, no? Sorry, my mistake. A plus B is equal to 68. So this will be 132, right? Sorry, 8, 128. 120. So 128. So this will become 64 and this will be. Got it? So that's how you find. So these are the two required numbers. This is what you've been needed to find out. No? Let A and B be the two positive. You see, this is just solving quantities till the concept is applied till here. Now you can solve it anyway. You can also use this quadratic formula minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC upon 2. So from here also you will get the same answer. Okay. You have used this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just solve this one. Find n such that a to the power of n plus b to the power of n upon a to the power of n minus 1 plus b to the power of n minus 1 may be in GP. If it is, then find the value of n. I think this is your NCERT question. Right? In NCERT, this problem is there. The different it is. See, simply if A and B are so geometric mean, let's say if A, G and B, G is the geometric mean. Okay, so G is always equal to square root of AB, right? So between these two numbers, if this is the geometric mean, the geometric mean is square root of AB. Now solve. Yeah, I'm giving you the hint. Right, give it a shot. See, that means what? A to the power of n plus b to the power of n. According to question, if it is possible, then this upon a to the power of n plus 1 plus b to the power of n plus 1 should be equal to square root of ab. Now solve it. Now from here, find the. Now this is just mathematics to find the value of. How much you got? Yeah, like that only. So like, okay, who wants to study mathematics? Leave it. Yeah, kind of, you are getting close. What minus? Where you are getting minus? This is plus, minus. Okay, sorry, then minus. My mistake here. Don't just copy me blindly.
I don't mind.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, almost. Try this method. Is that correct? Huh? Hmm? See if you can solve it. Why I'm writing this way and why not squaring? Squaring should also give the result. No? So that's why I said you can get result from there also, but it will be little lengthy. Whenever you have this multiple multiplications of powers, try to add the power of similar terms. Okay, whenever in mathematics you have that. If you know logarithmic function, your life is easier. Otherwise, do this. Almost you have reached. Just check one more time from the beginning. Some here. Yeah. Not a mistake. Just check if the steps are correct. That step, the previous step must be the next step that you are writing. It should be exactly the same as the previous. Exactly the same meaning what? Meaning there should not be any distortion in the step. Okay. The meaning should be same of step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay. Can we write like this? Not sure. See, I've just added the power here. Right? I've just added the power. This one I have added. This one I have added. That's it. I have taken A to the left hand side and B to the right hand side. That's what I've done. I have done nothing fancy here. Same thing. You just it must match the previous step. That's what I said, right? It must match the previous step. So this you can write a to the power of n minus again a to the power of n into a to the power of half b to the power of half is equal to. Again, we are going the same way. No, it's fine. Is equal to b to the power of n into b to the power of half a to the power of half minus b to. Why I am doing this? So that I can take a to the power n and b to the power of n common. So a to the power of n, if you take common, what you will get? 1 minus a to the power of half b to the power of half. Here, if you take b to the power of n common, what you will get? B to the power of half, a to the power of half minus 1. See, these two terms are similar. Yes? Yes or no? Is these two terms similar? See, this term, and this term. Just a difference of minus is there, right? So can we write this as, next can we write a to the power of n. Let me write 1 minus a to the power of 1 by 2, b to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to minus, I'm taking minus outside, b to the power of n, 1 minus a to the power of 1 by 2, b to the power of 1 by 2. Is that okay? Can we now cancel out these two terms? That means a to the power of n is equal to minus b to the power of n. That's what we are getting here. Yes. Now take log. Now do it. See, I have done this far. Just see what will be the next step. Or have I made any mistake here? Why you are just looking at the board here? Just try to do it yourself. Unless you try it yourself, you will only be copying things. Don't do that. I don't know, just I'll have to see. So you have squared this. 280. Okay. Correct. Oh, okay. You are also getting the same thing. No? Getting the same thing. See? Getting- Acha, A by B and B by A. You're getting the same thing. See? That means 2n will be equal to 1, n is equal to what? Got it? Got it? Good. I have made some mistake here. Can anyone tell me where I have made the mistake? B to the power of n, b by b to the power of n. Probably in this step, okay. Yes, yes. Where? Is it minus? How? Oh, sorry. Okay, got it. So this is minus. Thanks, Nidhi. This is n minus 1 by 2. I got it. That's what I thought. And minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this will be same thing you have got, right? Nidhi. Same thing you have got. So the step we have written. Okay, so here again we can write a to the power of n minus a to the power of n, a to the power of minus 1 by 2, b to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to b to the power of minus 1 by 2, a to the power of 1 by 2 minus bn. Now let's take a n common here. So what we'll get? 1 minus b upon a to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, because this the power is minus. Shreya, clear? Here, if you take b to the power of n common, what you'll get? A by b to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so a by b to the power of n is equal to what you will get? A to the power of 1. Yeah, done. What? Yeah, 8 o'clock. Parents are there. Just this one. A to the power of half minus b to the power of half divided by b to the power of half. See, this is this term I'm writing. Now this I have cross multiplied, so I'm writing this one here. A to the power of 1 by 2 upon a to the power of 1 by 2 minus b to the power of 1 by 2. These two will get cancelled. So from here you will get a by b to the power of n is equal to a by b to the power of 1 by 2. So n will be equal to 1 by 2. Got it? See, this I have just cross multiplied. Okay, that's it. If you face trouble, we can again solve this one in tomorrow's class. Okay, and tomorrow's we'll do again special series. Some of the series we'll see of not much because it's not there in your syllabus, right? But we'll do some infinite series. APGP. It's not there. Is there? Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah. Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, just try to solve this problem again. Let me know if you are facing problem tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue from here.
Okay, sir.
Hari, come to class. Okay. ask Murli what happened. Take your notes. Just ask him what happened. Why you want. You should be present in all the class. That's why I'm asking. Not asking about others. So you are absent.